Monday, May 13th marked an important day for Central Elementary. Alumni, staff, and students joined forces with Central student ambassadors, who are current and future students of Central, dressed to construct and break ground to celebrate the Back to the Future ceremony. This ceremony marked the start of construction being brought to Central from the passing of the millage proposed earlier in the year.
I think it's very exciting. I think it's a wonderful opportunity to expand the services the school district offers to the community, and we're very excited.
On February 26th, the $11.9 million proposal was passed by the voters to bring needed changes to update this historical building. Changes including additional classrooms, a renovated media center, a new cafeteria, a new main entrance, a renovated parent pickup area, more modern educational technology, and to make the school 100% handicap accessible. And to celebrate the renovations, Central student ambassadors helped pass out chips and hot dogs, alongside with elegant music courtesy of Davison High School band students. Guests to Central were also able to tour through the building and look at plans of what this 83-year-old building is going to look like in the 21st century. I'm Duncan Haskins, DTV News.